I'm so sad to say that this is hard for me. But today the moth is going to be leaving.
Hi, welcome to the show.
I'm a crazy man. I'm a nut job. I'm a freak ball. You know, I break through all boundaries.
I'm just kidding. I just put in some eye drops so that I won't look so tired because I just got off of work and we're about to start heading about an hour and a half away to go pick up the car. I'm trying to see if I can see the car. He says he's pulling in any minute now, so I don't know where exactly he is. Oh my goodness, did you see that? Gotta go.
We are going to pick up my brand new car. Thanks to the buddy Ricardo, we got my car put back together in a timely fashion. We're supposed to be at the dealer, which is an hour and a half away by 7 o'clock. It is 5:30 right now, and it's raining. So, and it's 5 o'clock traffic jam. But whatever, they can wait, right? They're trying to sell a car.
That one bolt.
So yeah, we were putting this car together and we had a smooth sailing kind of thing. Like everything went on cool except that one freaking bolt. One bolt. The one bolt. Literally, we were done with the damn car. That one bolt. Have you ever had that one bolt? Well, we had that one bolt, okay? Not fun. Anyways, besides the point. We're getting a new car. Woo!
Kia Rio.
We're getting a 2008 Kia Rio, son. What? Not really. Woo!
That was pretty good.
Alright guys, remember how I told you that I was getting a Kia Rio? Well, not really. So, 3, 2, 1.
Bugging